Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. If you live somewhere where it gets a little bit colder, then I hope you are all bundled up and cozy and ready for this video because it has been pretty cold here lately and I have just been wanting all of the cozy pumpkin flavored things. So today we are going to be making pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. I made a cinnamon roll recipe on this channel back in the winter and it was like an egg roll. It was like an eggnog cinnamon roll recipe, and I decided to try some pumpkin spice ones for fall and they just honestly turned out so good. I am super excited for you guys to have this recipe, so let's get into it.
Dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, whenever you're around. Say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around.
These are so freaking good with a cup of coffee. I've been having coffee with oat milk and a little bit of hazelnut creamer in it, and it's just perfect with these. If you guys like sweets and coffee together, then I highly recommend making these because they're so good. They're so like fluffy, and the pumpkin's almost a little bit tangy, and then they're like sweet and buttery and have pumpkin pie flavor, and then just icing, and icing makes everything better. Also, I have a Pinterest board called Autumn if you guys are looking for like an explosion of fall in your life, And I also uploaded a podcast episode a couple weeks ago called A Fall Bucket List. It has lists of things to do alone, with a partner or a best friend, and with a group. So there's so many fall ideas if you guys are like bored and looking for some stuff to do. But yeah, that is everything for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make these cinnamon rolls, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I am at itslivb. If you haven't yet, make sure to grab a copy of my cookbook. It's called Live Bee's Vegan on a Budget, and it has 112 budget-friendly vegan recipes that are just so simple and easy, but also really delicious. And you can get it online on Amazon. If you live in Canada, you can get it at Chapters. It was at Costco at one point, but I don't know if they still have any, but I can put a link to this in the description box below if you're interested. That is everything for me today. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!